Back out on the boat. It's been a long time since the weekend before Memorial Weekend, so we're out on a lake that I think I haven't fished for a year now. So you guys know where I'm at, Pulaski Lake. I'm gonna try to go and catch some largemouth today. It's just gorgeous out today. Barely any wind. It's gonna be in the mid 80s, but this morning it's like in the high 60s. So let's go see if they're biting today, because I haven't caught a fish in a long time. So see you guys at the spot. All right, first spot. Definitely gonna try to throw some topwater lures first thing in the morning. You know it. Got a frog tied on, so that's what I'm gonna start in the morning here. Man, it's looking juicy. Let's see if we can get something on the frog. Ooh, they're busting right there. Something's busting. Nothing feels better than being out on the boat and on the lake at 5 a.m. in the morning. Oh, they're everywhere. They're definitely feeding. Ooh, that was a northern. Okay, I don't want that guy. The whole body of the fish came out of the water. That's a little northern. Good thing he missed the frog. There's one. It's a pretty good one too. Straight pin. First fish since Memorial Weekend. Let's see if we're gonna land them. Ooh, that's a good one, guys. That's definitely a good fish for
first one of the morning on the chatterbait. Nice fish. First one of the day. Let's let it go. Thank you. Oh, that feels good. Feels good to catch a fish. In like almost a month. Black and blue chatterbait. Right, let's go to the other side. All right, let's give this hump a try. This is the only hump in the lake. Only hump in the lake and nobody's on it yet, so let's give it a shot. Usually there's a lot of northerns here though. That's the only thing I hate about this hump. This one, that didn't take long. Right off the edge of this hump in about 19 feet of water. There we go. Choked on the sleeper. Gotta love that. Right where I was thinking they were gonna be at. I mean, it goes from 19 feet to the top of the hump is like 3 feet. So it's pretty obvious where the fish are probably gonna be stacked on or staged at. Not bad. Just keep it going. But you can see right here, I don't know if you can see the darker blue, that's the hump. And I'm sitting right off the edge of it. So right now it's at about 20 feet. But like I said, right at the hump, it's right on top of the hump, it's really shallow. So that's how you fish a hump. Gonna be fish on this cast. Just feel it. Feels like it's the spot. And I called it. Told you, it feels like the spot. It's nice when you could call catch except this guy. It might be a northern. Yep. Oh shoot. Oh, choked up my dark sleeper. Better give that back. Choked on the sleeper. Well, there was a fish there. It wasn't a bass, but still pretty cool to call that fish. Better retire. Oh, come on. And he took it. Bastard. Came in, stole my sleeper right by the boat. One off the Cinco. Another one bites the Cinco. Little snake. It's a dark northern. Got some really good, cool patterns though. Look at that. What are you? Don't be a pike. Oh, definitely a pike. Definitely a gator. I think that's gonna be the last gator, last fish of the day. It's getting too hot. Sweating my butt off here now. I think it's time to go home. Sit in the air conditioner. Or should we try for one more fish? All right, final cast. It's 4th of July weekend, so I gotta get home and get ready and get the barbecue going today. Yes, last cast and last fish. And it's a bass. Again, she's a fighter. Isn't it nice when you call your last cast and then you catch a fish on it? Gotta love that. Final cast, got my final fish. You gotta love that when it plays out like that. All right, she's gone and I'm ready to go home. That was my last cast. That's awesome. If only every time you go out fishing it's like that. All right, I'm gonna get ready and head home. Put all my stuff away. All right, hopefully I get to go out fishing next time soon. I'm gonna have baby number 3 coming, so my fishing time's gonna get cut down. All right, see you guys later.